everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using technical analysis, but of course we are going to use today something extra. It's an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, which is indicator alligator. So yeah, this indicator will help us to increase our profit. For today I will start today to trade with $100. My goal for today will be to grow this amount maybe around $10,000. Guys, let's see how everything will go. And yeah, I'm going to tell you more about what is alligator indicator and how to use it. So as you can see, this indicator is represented by three sliding green, yellow and red ones. When I see such intersection of the moving averages, that is the green line goes up, we can open long position, guys, as the price shows a good growth. And when we have an intersection of the moving averages on the contrary, that is the green line goes down, we see that the price is showing a strong decline, and that is in such situation I can open a short position. At the same time, as you can see, guys, in a situation with the consolidation zone, that is when the price doesn't move very strongly, we see multiple intersections of the moving indicator. That is in such situations the indicator is not particularly informative, and I will try to avoid them and look for more obvious price movements. So guys, these are the main points that we will need today in our trading session. And yeah, let's get started and find the first entry point. Okay guys, as you can see here, the price moving in an uptrend, and after a fairly strong downward pullback, the price begins to move up. In such situation we can open long position, since we also have an intersection of the moving averages and the green line goes up. Also guys, as you can see, the price lows on the chart are getting higher, and all this makes it clear to us the price has a good potential for growth. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend, and I think that 1 minute here will be totally enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal.
Join my private channel for free trading signals.
So guys, that's pretty good. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase, and thus our deal closed above the entry point. Guys, I managed to make money on our first deal, and let's continue. We'll look for another situation on the market. So as you can see, guys, we have a support level at the bottom here, and at the moment the price is bouncing up. In such situation we open a deal. It's a long position, because we also see that we have intersection of the moving indicators. This means that the price has a good potential for growth. Also guys, as you can see, the price has once again managed to stay near this level, and it is bouncing up as it has done several times before. So I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future, and I hope that 1 minute here, guys, will be totally enough for such situation. So let's wait for the outcome.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
So guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is making an upward movement, and here we got solid profit. Guys, as you can see, the indicator here didn't let us down again, and it suggested us a good entry point. Also, 1 minute here was just perfect for us, guys, and so let's continue our trading session. So as you can see, we have an uptrend here. At the same time, the price is currently moving down. In such situation we can open a deal. Guys, we are going to open short position, since we also see that the intersection of the moving indicators. At the same time, as you can see, we had the long trade consolidation zone here, and the price tried to break through the resistance level, but in the end it was unable to do so and began to move down. All this makes it clear that the price has the potential to go down, and I think that the price will continue to move down. So we'll try to make money on such decrease, and let's wait for the result.
If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites, because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately.
Well, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a decrease. Guys, thus we got the profit here. And also 1 minute here was just perfect. And so guys, let's continue our trading session. So as you can see, the price is showing a decline here and is currently making a downward momentum. So in such situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes, guys, to go down because we have an intersection of the moving averages. At the same time, as you can see, guys, the new price maximum is lower than the previous one, and the price is also moving down quite steadily and mainly with red candlesticks. So guys, in other words, all this indicates that the price has a good downward potential, and I think that the price will continue to move down in the near future. Also here we have taken the time of 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible consolidation or price increase. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright, that's pretty good. As you can see, guys, our deal closed below the entry point, and even though the price has made a pretty strong pullback up, thus we have the first $1,000 on our deposit. Guys, in other words, our initial amount has already increased by more than 10 times. This is a great result, guys. I suggest that we continue our trading session. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and after a fairly strong upward pullback, the price made a reversal and begin to decline. At the same time, the green moving average goes down on the indicator. Guys, we will open a short position here as the indicator tells us that the price has the potential to go down. At the same time, as you can see, the price highs have been getting lower lately, so it is more likely that the price will continue to move down in a downtrend in the near future. And also in this situation, I chose 2 minutes to spare, guys, so let's wait for the result. Okay, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving downwards mainly with the red candlesticks, and it showed a good decrease. Guys, we are making steady profit here, and also 2 minutes in this case, guys, it was just perfect for us. So let's continue and look at some other situations on the market. So as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, and after a fairly strong pullback of the price down, green candles are forming on the chart again. So in such situation, we will open an uptrend, and since the moving averages are also crosses on the indicator, and there's still enough space left to reach the resistance level. Also, guys, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are rising, so I think it's more likely that the price will try to break through the mark level again in the near future. So we will try to make money on this growth here. And also in this case, guys, I chose 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account the downward pullback of the price. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, guys, as you can see here, the price has fallen to the consolidation zone, but at the same time, our deal closed above the entry point, and here we managed to make money, guys. Thus, we already have almost $4,000 on deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal, guys. So let's look for another situation on the market. So, guys, as you can see, we have support level at the bottom here. And the price has made a good bounce up. At the same time, even now, after a slight decrease, the price continued to move up. In such situation, we will open a long position, guys, since we also see that the green moving average goes up. At the same time, as you can see, guys, the price is moving up quite impulsively, mainly with green candles, and the price lows are getting higher. Also, guys, an impulsive green candle is already forming on the chart. Therefore, I think that it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in the near future following the emerging upward movement. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So, guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is showing good growth, and here we got the profit. So the indicator was right again, and in this situation, it suggests us a good entry point. Guys, also the time of the transaction was chosen correctly. And I guess this is the end of our trading session today. So guys, this is it. We had an amazing trading session because guys, I was able to achieve my trading goal thanks to alligator indicator and my strategy when I use technical analysis. Always tell you that it's important to analyze the overall situation first. So pay attention to market trend, natural of candlesticks and other patterns on the market. And don't forget that it's super important to practice to gain your own experience in trading, and only then you will definitely succeed. Guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. They are totally for free. If you want to get them, guys, super easy. Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I will leave the link down. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put a big thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. I wish you to have a successful trading session on your own. Bye bye.